Zoom in. Say hi, Jada. Come to my pen. Okay, so I'm in the airport finally. Today is Saturday. It's 5:10 a.m. Well, 5:11 now. So yeah, today's Saturday, October 14th. I'm on my way to Jamaica. I always forget my neck pillow. It's so annoying. But I thought it was cutie when I was boarding. He was looking at me and I was looking at him, but we both didn't say nothing. Don't you hate that when y'all both was looking at each other and nobody say nothing? Multiple signs. Listen, if it was meant to be, it'll be crazy if we're on the same flight. That would be crazy if we're on the same flight. As y'all saw, my flight is on time. My flight is on time, baby. On time. Got my iPad with me so I can do some editing while I'm on the plane. I have a window seat. I had a middle seat at first, and when I just now checked in, I changed it to a window seat that was open. So I'm like, thank God. So yeah, I'm about to go to Jamba Juice. I'm gonna see what they got in there, and I'm gonna get it. Go to Jamba Juice.
It's so easy.
Connecting, yeah.
Hey, ha! Yo, ya man,
That's some It's called Caribbean Passion. Tastes good.
You want to bamba? You wanna G with the big boys? Now you the wrong, get the kitty, you the wrong, get a coffee drink with a drop cup. Hey, you can see how the thing goes.
Pleasure having you on board today's flight. Once again, welcome to Kingston, Jamaica.
Finally got here, but I'm gonna get to see y'all when I get outside. So I'm already here. Finally touched down. My ride is on the way, so I'm just waiting to clear my bag and then go outside and wait.
Yo, Bobby's, I'm still living on the choppies. Connect my phone on the office. Couple soul of vitamins. And I'm a clear and spot, I'm a ride, I'm straight. And I'm a clear and spot, I'm straight. Expensive beats in my Panama. Promise till I buy leads with the data. Ship when it's 17, just to fly back. Just to fly back. I'ma catch from it, I'm a father. Girl, I say I'm too smooth, must have Cadillac. Must have Cadillac. Must have Cadillac.
We stop here buying food. So, keep buying food, so I'm getting a roti. I'm hungry. I didn't eat nothing on that damn plane but some plantain chips. But I'm like, I would say 10 minutes away from my grandmother's house, but the way he drive, 5 minutes. I'm 5 minutes away. So yeah, the roti is $600. I'm gonna tell y'all, I'm putting on the screen how much US that is. The first thing I'm eating is a roti. Trade much. I feel happy that I'm here, but I wish my mom was here in physical form to like do things with me. Yeah, so the emotions are kicking in. Oh, thank you. You know that on people?
Yeah, but not a problem.
Oh, okay. Oh. So I got to my grandmother's house. It's so hot. My roti. Stew chicken roti. Oh, about to bust this down because I'm starving.
Eternity later.
Yes, please. Thank you.
Good boy. We brought the Wednesday TV and give me. Come on, wanna come on the party, you know.
Hey, me not talk with the ladies there, you know. You can't even know them on my TV, say TV! Alright, I'm going to check up some of them now. The girl that will have $500 in the pocket, say $500. $500! Bring it down, show me. Can't watch a Muma Turbo. Jesus Christ. Muma Turbo should have told me in my mouth.
Just got back home. I'm tired. The party was lit. I'm gonna see you guys in the morning or another day when I'm doing something.
Day 2.
So this is what we're doing this morning. Egglees in the tree. I picked some ackee. Yeah. Got ackee in that tree.
Yo. He said fucking thick, brother, you see? I need that I'm a drop out here, brother.
Where you focus on pass?
Nice food.
Our brother in the tree. He's talking about he followed the tree before. I'm like, that's a pass. That's a pass. You'll be alright today.
Jada, watch it, Jada.
No, this one is so hot. So we're picking ackee. Let me show you what ackee look like. Some of y'all. For y'all that think ackee is eggs, it's not eggs. Okay? This is what ackee is. It actually grows on a tree.
Look up.
Boy.
Where you go?
So it's so much ackee. And if you can see the black seeds, those are the ones that's open and ready to be picked. Yeah. So this is one. It's not fully open, but it's good. And there's one right there that's like fully open. Look, it's open. Zoom in. Yep. Jada, bring those. Come. All right, let me show you the difference. This one is not fully open, so we're gonna leave this out for it to be open. And then this one is halfway opened, but these are fully opened. This one model Jada. Say hi, Jada. Yeah, so that's the difference. We're gonna leave this one to be opened out here. We're just gonna leave it out here somewhere. Go ahead, Jada. Jada gonna demonstrate how to take out the ackee from out the shell. Oh, God. Catch him flow. Oh, man, oh. Yo. My brother trying to get out of the tree.
Yo,
go on, man.
Why something though?
I just will be recording something. I'm telling you.
Yo, the kids, you might never jump out of it though.
We're gonna jump?
Yeah.
See? That name, bad.
No, I'm going to no tree. Let it go.
I can't open. So So these we leave to open on their own. We got this much from this. Listen, I'm showing you all real raw country living, okay? I'm not from the suburbs. Real raw country living. See, dog? Yeah.
Several hours later.
Nighttime football.
Day 3.
Happy birthday, mommy!
I hope you're dancing in the sky. I hope you're singing in the angels' choir.
I try. That's what I say. But even though you're late, I come work too much.
So, Sweeney,
Yeah.
you know, jump on the TikTok.
Jump on the what?
TikTok with somebody look very. And they say money there, like YouTube now send no money, come get nobody.
Don't ya? They're not getting none, don't ya?
TikTok, you money there. So there's some on the TikTok 2 times they get all one lion. 2 lions.
I have time to do TikTok. I have time to do TikTok.
Universe. But see what can go on today. Then hold on. If money are run on TikTok, I'm there as a stage.
But you can sell crab like Alice, but you know if you
Turn out like Alice.
turn out like
Nah, sell me.
just forward, just what time now? Just forward, okay. Right there.
Eh? So I'm here editing and I forgot this even happened. So me and my cousin walk into MoneyGram because I sent him money to pick up for me. So we walk into MoneyGram. Some guy that he knew saw him. And the minute the guy saw me, the guy's like, oh, that's his wifey, that's his wifey. Now, I should have expected it because that's how they think once they see you with a quote-unquote foreigner, someone that live in America or wherever, Canada, anyway, out the islands, they're like, oh, that's the wifey. And my thing is, like, I guess people can't walk around as family members or even friends no more because this is what happens every time. And I'm like, I had to clarify, like, that's my cousin. Like, what? Like, sir, I'm like, sir, don't do that. Like, that's my cousin. My cousin was laughing. I'm like, because he already know what it is. That's my cousin. My wife. I don't think everybody, yeah, boy, my wife. See me, should I follow her with that? Well, give me an umbrella for real. I mean, I wear my hat. I'm going to take it off. I didn't know, but now I know. I put to wear no hat. Sun is blazing. Welcome to my pen. Huh?
Right side of chair.
It is Tuesday, October 17th. It's my mom's birthday. So happy heavenly birthday to her. I'm sad about the fact that I'm here and she's not here. And then she's not going to be here no more for no more birthdays. Even being out in this area, it reminds me so much of my mom because my mom be the main person I'll be out here walking in the hot sun with up and down these streets. So it's like, it's hard even being out here right now, honestly. Because she would definitely be the one to send my money to pick it up or like change all my US money or whatever. So it's hard being here and she's not here. It does not feel real one bit. It don't. So I got here from Saturday. And when I got here, the Cambios at the airport was closed. And then Sunday, everything was closed. And then Monday was a holiday, so today's Tuesday. I'm finally getting to change some money. So that's what I'm doing. But my cousin is inside doing it for me. I don't know if I'm gonna get to do anything today because my cousin is either at work or they getting off early, getting off late. My brother get off work in like 2 hours, so we're gonna go visit my mom's grave. So I'm gonna do that later, but I will be doing that off camera. That will not be recorded. So if anything, we do something over the weekend. If nothing major is gonna be done today. The sun is mad hot, so it's like a beach trip will be the only thing, honestly. Anything else can't beat. But I'm gonna go get something to eat. I don't know if I want KFC or Domino's. I'll try something different. I don't know. Oh, what up? What up?
Hey, there's something there.
The pepper? No. But they pepper.
Love them,
I bet. Well, I want to love you. Man. Now you spicy food, bro. No? Thank you, but no thank you. What is on there, you know? So oh, it is. Yeah, sure. I'll try something different. This is a barbecue zinger. I'm gonna try it. It is so loud in here. Anyways.
Is it?
That means it's good, man. Because I'm like, what do you mean, duh?
You mean? It tastes good, man.
No. It's my first time having it, so I didn't know what to expect. And yeah, mayonnaise funny? Oh, God. I don't like mayonnaise. It's not even tasty. It's a little spicy, but the flavor is definitely there. But this one is big. It looks small in the menu. I give it a 9 out of 10 because it has mayo in there, and I don't like mayo. But other than that, it tastes so good. You got it though. So I just got done eating some KFC. Now I'm in the wholesale place getting some snacks, some groceries or whatever. Taxi. It's so hot. It's so hot.
It started off foolishness again.
I have to be drinking this nice cold bottle. This tastes so good. It looks so nice in the uniform. Oh, what school that is though? It'd be so hot out here. You see people with umbrellas. Like, I should have worn my freaking hats. Just sits with her umbrella. Mad hot.
Breaking point with it,
Yep.
yeah.
Hey, Joey, you're smiling. Now we're in the taxi waiting.
You're listening to the Ladies
This is the $50 bill. This is the $100 bill. That's the $1,000 bill. That's the $5,000 bill. And these are the old. So compare the old to the new. Completely different. New 50, old 50. There's also a $500 bill, but I used it earlier, so yeah. Oh, but I forgot to compare old $1,000 bill to, like, I wish it was straighter, but yeah. This is the new Kizash. I didn't get to go visit my mom's grave. I need to do something to celebrate her. Like, I'm not gonna feel good if I don't do anything at all. And yeah, I remember the spot that I went to last time when I came here. Murray's. It's not too far from here. Something my mom loves. She loves jerk pork. So I know she'll be eating that today. Or fish and stuff, but I'm gonna get some jerk pork.
Don't take them. No, my thing, not my Benjamin Cross. Benjamin Trump.
When I get the party, when I time that party.
When you talk, your man was ever today or something.
Few moments later.
Alright, I'm about to deal with this lovely unit here. So I bleached the nuts. I already washed one side. Somewhat bleached. We'll see how the other side looks.
Some of them jealous to me and them face get saggy. But you know what make them aggy? I show me a gun. Tell a gal fi go away. Shut all you want, but you can't touch me. Every day I'm me life less like Sunday. I know my fault, so you're born ugly. Jealous of me look, cause you look like a dolly. Me look like a dolly. Enough money spent on me body. Enough man a dead over me. You want me a dolly little me. Dolly keep it cute. Dolly attitude. Dolly name now call pan every youth. No mixed up, me no friendly some up. No man or gal can't get me for you. So go away. Can't roll with the rebel PC and pretty. It's a dolly link up.
This is air dried. That's it. I washed it and left it outside to dry. And this is how the curls came out. Perfect. The curls came out so freaking good. I love it. This is this natural island sun results.
The next day.
This is some fiberglass tea. Ackee sawfish with bread. Yummy. A whole ackee sawfish taco. But it's so soft and nice. You're not gonna understand until y'all try it yourselves. So good. Alright, y'all, real raw. So I'm starting from the front. So that's one of the entrances to the neighborhood, and that's another one down there, and that's the soccer field that they play football. And you can see there's some houses surrounding that area. My mommy house is all the way up there behind the bushes. There's a walkway right here. There's other houses up there too, and that's one of my cousin's house there. church. I said this is the front part of the shop, and this is my grandmother's house. This is the house I grew up in. Yeah, this is it. Yeah, there's some more houses around here. Yep. So basically everybody around here related, child. We all related. Everybody cousins. Second, third, fourth, fifth cousins. But yeah, that's all I'm gonna say for that part. But yeah, the roads are not perfect. They're not perfect, as y'all can see. Everybody don't have a fancy gate. Nope. The church, they're trying to get fancy, I guess. And yeah. Whew. The sun is hot. The sun is beaming. Like, the sun is saying hello today. Whew. I need to walk up in that walkway to show you where my mom's house is. I don't know if I even should go up there. But yeah, this is the front of the church. Literally right next door to my grandmother's house. Could have never been late for church, y'all. See the water? Look at all the water and everything. I don't know how these taxis be driving here, but trust me, they be driving here, okay? So when people tell me when people try to say, oh, I'm bougie, I just gotta laugh, because y'all see where I'm from. Bougie? Where? I'm not one of them people. Bougie where? Nah. But these are some houses. Also, it's my cousin's house. Tamarind tree right here. And, oh, the breeze is blowing. Oh, thank God. And that's a house right there building. I don't know. It's another house. So this is a walkway to my mom's house. Should I go up there? I'm not gonna do that right now. But that's another house right there. Just showing y'all the real raw. Look at the goats all the way up there. But yeah, so this is it, y'all. This is it.